The next skill set on the laser cutter we'll practice is creating a raster design. This can be done with almost any image we find on the internet. Look for an online image and use File Import to bring your image into CorelDRAW. To create an engrave design, we want to remove the background. With the image selected, select Bitmaps, Outline Trace within CorelDRAW. We can now see this is what it'll look like. For the image, we want to make sure that we have Delete Original selected. So then say OK. Now I can see here that my background is still there, so if I select this and then select Delete, that will actually delete my background. So I'm now ready to set up my print settings for this. So if I go to File, Print, my print settings are again based on my material that I'm using to engrave. So I'll select the gear icon, and this time I'm doing a raster design. So for this material, I want to use 25% power and 100% speed. I now select OK and print. My job will show up on the keypad on the mini laser cutter, and I'm ready to print.